Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are at. So this is gonna be a pretty quick one. I'm just gonna go ahead and update my node. As everyone who's been paying attention knows, they said that at the end of this month, if you haven't updated to the latest version, then you stand a chance of losing all your funds. So yeah, just wanted to quickly go over the process with you guys. Pretty much you stop the miner. I already kind of closed it down. You can just click stop node and then just close out that software, go back to the launcher here. We're going to click check update. Yes, there's an update. Yes. It's going to download, and then we're going to, after it finishes downloading it, we're going to apply it. So just give it a little time here. Thankfully, the the install isn't too big of a file. If you have a somewhat of a good internet connection, it shouldn't take too long for you to download this. But yes, so let's just let that happen. And yes, we want to apply. Okay, so we're just gonna come over here, press OK, close this down. And then we're gonna relaunch the entire thing. It should say 2.3 now. Yep, 1.2.3. And it's pretty much the same process. Alright, we're gonna open this up. So one thing I wanted to test also was, so if everyone saw the video from the other day, where I actually updated the... Alright. You know what's weird about this error right here? I bet you if I just press OK and run this again, watch it launch this time. Something I've been noticing, it believes that the service is still running in the background. I could be wrong. It could just end right here, but look, we'll see. Yeah, you see that? Sometimes it will, I don't know, it's strange. Anyway, okay, so it's up to 2.3. We can see it up here in the top center of the software. You'll see GUI version 1.2.3. Okay, so for, like I was saying before, for everybody that remembers the video from the other day, to quicken up the syncing of my nodes, I added a portion here to the get fast node. Okay, so I was interested. All right, so I know I'm a little jumbled. I just wanted to make sure that this file wasn't modified once the update went through. So it looks like it wasn't. So my node information is still in there. And as you can see, as we are, starting up the miner, it's already found the peers. It's already found 3 peers. So according to the, I'm pretty sure it's because I have the boot nodes option set here. But if you want to know more about that, look into the other video. So yeah, it looks like we're good to go. It looks like it's already starting to mine, which is good. Well, we'll see. So another thing I wanted to notice, to bring up today, is that while we're running these softwares, right, we want to use as less resources on the system itself, just in case because you can see on the top right here, my CPU is good, RAM is good, disks is good, the percentages look alright. But for some who maybe you have some other stuff running in the background, I also have this running as a Mysterium node. So I also have that running, making me some funds. So one way that I found to kind of alleviate a lot of the bloatware on the system is by using these tools. And this is completely optional for everybody that's, you just wanted to see how to update the node. Go ahead and sign off. But check this out. These are 2 very cool tools. Right, you just run this into a PowerShell window. It's going to download the software. We should see an application appear. So yeah, so this you can use for, and I'll have both of these softwares in the links. Well, I'll have them linked in the description, kind of just how to run them. So as you can see here, it's kind of it's a plethora of things here. So, you can install, there's installers here also, but there's tweaks. You can install from there also. You can disable certain functions of Windows. Remove, certain things that you don't need. Themes. So this is just, you know, and then here we have recommended selections. You know, you can have a minimalistic Windows 10 OS experience. There's other things in here that you can look at, installing Linux and blah 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 blah. But you know, within here you can also disable updates and things like that. So I'll let you guys take a look at that once you run it for yourself. So I'm just gonna X out of here. So there's another command here. I'll also have this listed in the description. Again, these are just tools that I use to kind of minimize the processes that are running in the background for my nodes, and this could go beyond the ETCMC nodes. This could be for whatever else. Like I said, I'm using this for Mysterium nodes too. So if you had a Windows machine running some sort of software, Honeygain, Mysterium, whatever. See, look, this is the Windows 10 debloater. So there's one button just to remove all the bloatware, custom. You know, there's a bunch of stuff here. I removed, you know, depending on which Windows 10 install you go with, it usually installs OneDrive automatically. So being able to remove it here is good. So yeah, so you can take a look around, remove bloatware, reg keys, blah blah blah. You know, remove disable Cortana, which I did, and all these things. Okay, so these are just tools that you can use to kind of optimize your system. Another thing that I do, this is for the old school heads that have been doing this for a while. I don't know if a lot of people know about this, but if you do, good for you. If we go over here, okay, let me just start over. Right click, system. We're gonna scroll all the way down. We're gonna go to advanced system settings, and so it should open up to the system properties advanced tab. And if you look at it, the first section here is performance, right? So if you go into performance, go to settings. You want to adjust this for best performance. By default, it's either at best appearance or let Windows choose what's best for the computer. And 9 times out of the 10, the computer's going to choose best appearance. So it's going to use resources just to make Windows 10 look good. So if you set this over to adjust for best performance, it removes some of those little knick-knack, paddywhack GPU, you know, things that look, you know, they use up resources on the system. So yeah, hope everybody's doing well. And also real quick, let's take a look at the ETC POW price. Come over here, open up CoinGecko, and let's take a peek. Last I checked, it was going lower and lower. Where are we at? Okay. Oof. Anybody remember when this was $2? If we go back a couple of videos, you'll see it was like, I think I've got it at around $2, maybe like $1.70 or something. So I'm actually waiting on 2 payouts. So you know what? I think it needs to be mentioned that this is still the most profitable project as far as tokens and mining and buying licenses. I'm a long time GPU miner, and for everybody that's aware of what's happening now currently, so this is one of my farms. 35 GPUs. I'm mining Pyrin and Nurai, which is a compile algorithm token. Got some AMD cards on that and some. So we're getting cents a day, to be honest. It's less than $1. Most of us. A couple of us are maybe making tens, maybe $20 a day, which is really good. But if we're still getting, what are we getting? 320 tokens. We're still good. We're still good. And this would still pay off a license. And as this grows in value, previously just getting one payout would have been at least $250 right there. Boom. That would have paid off a license the first payout. But I'm okay with the waiting a month for ROI. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. But yeah, I don't want to rant too much on that. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are enjoying the holidays and your time, you know. Spend it with your family. Do some good stuff. Enjoy the eggnog and all that. Enjoy your day, brethren, my brothers. Peace. Brothers and sisters. Peace.